Student Village project, £100 million project in partnership with developers. It's firstly a residential project, 700 new rooms plus the refurbishment of Clarice Cliff. There's also 1,000 new beds. As well as a residential project, you've got a social project, got a student hub, and also it's a study project as well. So it's for living, working and studying. And this is for our next generation student experience offer.
We've set ourselves a goal that we want to be carbon neutral for our Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2030. And so we are, first of all, refurbishing some older accommodation to bring it up to modern standards. But the new build is really the most exciting part. Lots and lots of photovoltaic cells, again, generating lots of electricity on the roof. We can actually bring that back into the university, so it'll actually allow us to reduce the amount of electricity that we ourselves take from the grid, and we think that that's a great benefit as well.
We saw the vision very early on that the university needed new student accommodation, so by September 2026, we'll have a fabulous new student village. We're bringing together the private sector know-how as well as the university's know-how, and it's a partnership. So I think you're bringing all of that expertise under one roof, essentially.
This development's in partnership with the Kaplan Centric project in the Goods Yard, the redevelopments around the station. So I think you've got an urban cultural quarter effect in this part of Stoke-on-Trent. So this is in tandem with the City Council's plans and also other partners working around the area.
Having a hub area where all students can go, especially for first years that don't know anyone, it's going to be a game changer for a lot of people. I think it's going to be really nice. I think it's really going to make the university experience better for a lot of people.
We've got some very high targets that we want to achieve on this project. That includes 25% local spend within a 10-mile radius and 50% spend within a 13-mile radius. That's the same with employing local labour as well. As a builder, I think the greatest impact we can have and what we can look back on is the legacy, and by giving local people, local businesses the opportunity to get involved with a scheme like this, it's huge.
This is a huge earthworks project, so everything you see in the background is going to be remaining on site, so we're really hitting the embodied carbon measures by not taking anything off site, not creating any waste on the project. Construction is leading towards more sustainable construction it has to. There's no way around it now, but as a business and as a design team we've really pushed the boundaries. So the village and the parkland has been thought about as one project to lower the embodied carbon and the amount of waste and materials we can reuse.
The link across to the university is through a new footbridge going across the River Trent, and really it's kind of the heart of the job really, because that will link everything together. And then as we come towards Christmas, you'll start to see buildings come out of the ground very quickly. It's a very quick build for the frame that we're building here, but it'll be about 18 months that you'll see the paving going down on the outside and the finishing touches start getting added to it really.
One of the things that we were very impressed about the design was the ability to keep all of the materials on the site. So, for example, any what's called cut and fill is absolutely balanced out so that we're not bringing any materials on, not taking any away, and that makes a huge difference to our carbon emissions. And we're very excited about the fact that there's a long-term commitment from the partners as well. So we know this is going to be a really good project.